So you know those days when you've got a bit of a cold and you can barely taste anything, but you really want something fresh and lovely to eat? Well, today is one of those days for me. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make some really quick cheesy quesadillas in the Instant Pot Duo Crisp. Okay, so let's make this really quick sandwich. So we've got 2 tortillas, these are flour tortillas. We've got some chopped red onion. We've got some chopped tomato, some chopped green bell pepper, some grated cheddar cheese, cream cheese, some sriracha sauce or your favourite chili sauce, and then just a little bit of olive oil. So let's start by making the cheese spread. I'm just going to use about a tablespoon of cream cheese, and then I'm going to add in some of my sriracha sauce. And this is really just to your taste, depending on how hot you like it. What I've got here is the rack from the Instant Pot, and I'm putting on the grilling or broiling rack on top of that. I'm not going to use the inner tin for this because it would make it a little bit too small, so we're just using this so it makes it nice and easy to manage. Super crisp. So that's my really quick cheesy quesadillas all done, and they're absolutely delicious. And if you've got an Instant Pot Duo Crisp, you might like to have a look at some of my other videos showing you all the different things you can do with this amazing machine. So I'll see you over there.